Hello, my name is Tatyana, and in this short video I want to show you how to use your little sample I said to you to support your immune system. Now it came in this little vial, so it got a little bit of an essential oil. This is plenty, so don't worry because the dose is 1 or 2 drops, no more. So what it's in there is a protective blend, and it's called onGUARD. So this is the large bottle, and I'll show you exactly what to do with it now. So all you have to do is just open it up. All right, I'll close the little one. I'll just use a big one, it's easier for me. So what I'm going to do, just take the drop. Okay, if the two come out, don't worry, it can happen, so that's not a problem. Rub your hands together and start inhaling. So this is your aromatic use. You want to clear your passages. You want to allow the essential oils in this blend. And there are 5 in them. I call them my 5 superheroes: clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, wild orange, and something else, which I forgot. Let me see. So anyway, there's 5 in this blend, and they're like powerful super that blend together, providing incredible support for the immune system. And not only that, they're targeting the pathogens in your body as well at the same time. So it kind of works both hands, dealing with the issues. So this is the blend I'm using a lot, diffusing, applying it, using it, adding into my water as well. So but you want to be using glass. Make sure it's a glass, not plastic, real glass. And you want a nice large glass of it. So if it really feels like it's on fire, right, all you want to do, just put a drop and drink it. You can just a drop of this blend and consume it. Actually drink it throughout the day. I like sometimes gurgling it as well. It's an old method my mom used to get me to do, with a bit of soda, baking soda and water. You can also add onGUARD to it. Now you can only do it as an adult. For kids, do not give it to them internally, but apply it to their feet, something you can do for yourself as well. 1 drop in the morning, put it on your feet, and then get dressed, and then put the socks on your child, and send them off to school or for the rest of so they will have that protection. They will have the essential oils to help them fight whatever comes at them throughout the day. So as I explained, you can inhale it. If you have a diffuser, great. If you don't, again, we are walking diffusers. You just can apply it on your chest as well, and on your feet. Feet is a great place because it will have systematic effect on your whole of your body. They will travel up and they will look for where the bodies are. So I like doing everything. I like inhaling, I like taking them internally. You might, if you like, there's little actually gel capsules that you can actually burst under your tongue or just swallow. And these incredible essential oils, they will go for any type of pathogen, for bacteria, for virus, for fungi, for parasites, antimicrobial flora. There's a lot of research out there, which I'll send you a little bit more, but this is just a short video for you to see how you can use your little sample. Have fun with it, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.